In this tutorial, we are going to learn about arithmetic operators in JavaScript and how we can use them to perform basic math operations. If you've ever done any kind of math, then these operators will be familiar to you. They're just like the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division you've learned in school, but we use them in code to perform calculations. Let's explain what we just did. We declared two variables a and b and assigned them the values 10 and 20 respectively. We then declared a third variable sum and assigned it the value of a plus b, which is done with a plus sign, plus. The console.log function then prints the value of sum to the console. As you can see, 10 plus 20 equals 30. That's our basic addition operator at work. Now let's move on to subtraction. We'll subtract b from a this time. Now we have the difference variable which is assigned the value of a minus b. The minus sign is used for subtraction. This gives us minus 10 since 10 minus 20 is minus 10. Now, let's try multiplication. We'll multiply a and b. Here we've introduced the multiplication operator. The product variable now holds the result of a times b. That gives us 200, because 10 times 20 is 200. Finally, let's look at division. We'll divide b by a. We've now introduced the division operator, slash. The quotient variable holds the result of b divided by a. That gives us 2, because 20 divided by 10 is 2. And that's the basics of arithmetic operators in JavaScript. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these operators in different ways to get the hang of them. Happy coding!